Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going over a review of TRENDSEND, which is a style box through evereve, kind of like how Trunk Club is through Nordstrom. You fill out a style profile and all of these things, so I'm going to review my experience with them and show you what I got. But if this is your first time here, hello, I'm Jules. I really appreciate you clicking on my video. I would love for you to do one more click for me, and that would be to the subscribe button. Right down here, it's red. And if you want bonus brownie points, the bell notification so that you know when I post new videos, and I do 2 new videos every week. So just sort of the nuts and bolts of TRENDSEND. You fill out a style profile and they send you a box. Now you can schedule boxes or you can do them on demand. None of that is really new to kind of the style box world, but the real thing that I thought was super interesting about TRENDSEND, normally the styling fee, I think through Stitch Fix it's like what, $20, and Trunk Club is $25. Well, TRENDSEND is $1. I am serious. They put a $1 hold on your credit card. That's it. It's all you do. It's $1. So I thought, why not? I have no idea what they're like. I've never been in their store, but maybe I should go look at it now. So the premise of TRENDSEND is you get 2 outfits. You don't get to review it beforehand, but you do get to make some selections in what you like, what you don't like, what you're looking for, what styles you like to wear, that sort of thing. Ask what your height is, what your, my super white skin and light hair, blue eyes, so they can, kind of pair things with that. Let's start with outfit number 1. This first outfit is actually kind of 2 outfits. They were paired, they were actually packaged together, and so I knew right away what outfit number 1 was. And they also come with a really nifty sheet that tells you how you can style it, what the pieces are, where they're from, and some other ideas on how to style it. So I am using their recommendations for how to wear these pieces. Let's get started. All right, so for outfit number 1, the first part was a tunic tee by Peyton Jensen. It's this gray and black striped tunic. Yeah, I think this is gray. This is gray. Or is it green? I don't really know what color this is right now. It looks gray. It is super soft, I swear. This feels like it could be a pajama shirt, and it's kind of long enough that it kind of looks like pajamas when paired with leggings. So this wasn't my favorite outfit of the outfits, but I really do appreciate them putting in a nice stripe. As you can see, I do like stripes. I did say, now if you watch my channel, you know this about me, I love my neutrals, so I said I want neutrals. So everything that my stylist sent me is a neutral. I'm going to be saying no to this, but at the same time, I love how soft it was. It's too hard because this is way too long for me to even style for myself, but I liked the thought. And so I feel like with my feedback that even the next time will be even better. So for the first round, I feel like this was pretty good. So for the pants for outfit number 1, my stylist sent me these camo leggings from Spanx. I love them. I don't even know how to describe how surprised I was by these. So I am a size 4, usually a size small in pants, but these looked tiny out of the box, and I thought there was no way, absolutely no way that these were gonna fit me. It took me a minute to put them on, but once I had them on, they fit so well. They were so comfortable. They did not feel too tight. I did not want to take them off. So I am keeping these, and I think I might be a Spanx legging convert. They're so comfortable. They are seamless down the front, so hey, no more camel toe. They're super comfy, super stretchy, and I really like that it's like this black camo. It really fit great. I really recommend these. Again, I will link everything via evereve because I think that's fair down below in the description box, so you can check these out yourself, but I'm sure you can also find them other places if there isn't an evereve close to you. All right, so the second outfit in outfit number 1 is a sweater from Free People. I really like this sweater. It is really soft. It's a really oversized, yet really tight in the sleeves, black, almost a waffle knit, but at the same time super cozy sweater. Sorry, that was a really long description of a sweater. It's really huge. It's really oversized. And I thought this paired a lot better than the other shirt did with the leggings. However, I don't think I'm going to get it. There's a lot about this I love. Again, it is so comfortable, so soft. I love pretty much everything about it except it's a little big. I just don't really see myself wearing it that much. And so if this is a style that you can see yourself wearing a lot, then absolutely I 100% recommend it. I don't see myself wearing this in enough situations to warrant spending the money on it because I cannot wear this to work. So much of my time is spent at work. So anyway, love this piece, loved it with the pants, but I'm not gonna get it. So moving on to outfit number 2, which again has 2 looks in it. I feel like I got 6 looks. Oh no, is that 4 looks? 4 looks. To start out, the second look or second outfit, whatever, is this really cute sweater from Sunday in Brooklyn. It comes in ivory, or this one is in ivory. I don't know if there are any other colors. Again, look in the description box. This is a size small. It has this really cute twist detailing in the front. I really liked the sweater. I thought it was a little bit see-through for my taste, but overall, I didn't really put it on and feel something special. So I decided to not choose this sweater. I don't really know how much more winter clothes I want to buy right now. I don't really know what else to say about the sweater. I liked it, I didn't love it. I feel like there's a lot I could love about it. It just, you know, if I was like, I don't know, making my own custom sweater, there's a few little nips and tucks I would make to it to make it a little more flattering and more something I could wear every day. So for this outfit number 2, the pants that they sent along are these high-rise Donna ankle skinny jeans from Cut From The Cloth. Now I hadn't tried jeans from Cut From The Cloth before and I really liked these. I said I didn't want high-rise. I am short-waisted. High-rise, I am swimming, but these actually come kind of right below my belly button, so they're more of what I would consider a mid-rise. But I guess what I'm learning is that everywhere has their own definition of what a high-rise is, a mid-rise is, and a low-rise. Shout out to Express, your low-rise is my mid-rise. So I really liked this. I really liked the color. I do have a pair of jeans that are kind of similar to these that I like a little bit better, and so I would be open to trying this brand again. But again, I didn't love the jeans, so I wasn't ready to, you know, spend the money on them. Despite them being called high-rise, I thought for a second that, you know, maybe my stylist ignored that I didn't want high-rise. I wouldn't really call these high-rise, so she knew that. Oh, and the Free People black sweater I showed earlier, she sent me that in an extra small. So she knows kind of the sizing and what I told her about the size of my body. So I really do appreciate that she took all of that into consideration. But they're a really great material. I love the feel of them. They're really comfortable. So I'll definitely be considering these in the future. All right, so the second look for look number 2 is, or no. So for this second look for outfit number 2 is changing out the white sweater for this flannel boyfriend shirt. I really appreciate the neutrals and it's very soft, but it's too big and I do not like flannels. I'm sorry. If you like flannels and plaid like this is by no means saying that it's bad. I just personally don't like it. And I know I did a video on flannel just a little while ago and I'll link it right up there, but I am not a flannel fan, especially a boyfriend flannel. Like if I'm gonna wear a flannel, I want something that's pretty fitted, not something that my dad would have worn in the 90s. I don't wanna hate on this too much because a lot of this is stuff I like, you know, something that's, you know, has a color and it has some interest and it has neutrals, but I guess I need to start putting on things like I don't like flannel. I should say what this is from. Did I say? I don't remember. This is from Sanctuary. In styling it here, of course, you can see I tucked it in. I think that's a really great way to wear it. It's way too big on me. I really don't know what else to say about it. I do appreciate my stylist trying to get me out of my comfort zone. All right, so those are the 2 outfits I got. So I have 5 days to return it back into the mail, and they give you a priority bag to send along with it. You check out online. Nothing really new except that it's through USPS. So you do have to use the priority mail bag. So that is a little bit different, and I can't tell if that's just because everything's so new and that they don't have just a prepaid thing you can stick back on the box and send along. They do need to package the boxes a little better. They're missing some tape, and so my box came a little funky, so I was a little worried that the clothes inside might have gotten wet, but they didn't, so everything worked out. I will link everything that you need for this down below. Please feel free to ask me questions. I hope this was a really helpful review. I do feel like, as a side note, this style profile is really in-depth in comparison to other ones I've done. If you like this video, I would love for you to give it a thumbs up down below. So thank you so much for watching. I'm Jules, and I will see you in this video that'll be right up here. Bye!